I'm Jenny Smith, CND Education Ambassador, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to recreate the smoke effect using CND Shellac. I've already applied 2 layers of CND Shellac black pool and cured each layer in my LED lamp. I'm now using the S1 brush and some cream puff, and I'm drawing on the position where I want my smoke to be laid down on the nail. After I've applied my cream buff stroke, I'm then going to take G1 brush with a small amount of disperse and gently pat over the top of that cream puff line, just spreading it out slightly. I'm then going to wipe my brush off on a cotton pad and really saturate the brush with 99% isopropyl alcohol. Come back to the nail and apply some more disperse or 99% isopropyl alcohol, and as you can see, it really helps spread out like smoke. Wiping off the brush again, coming back in with some more isopropyl alcohol and just working it a little bit more to blend it a little bit more. The 99% isopropyl alcohol dries quite quickly. After I've finished with my smoke, I'm then taking CND Shellac Express 5 top coat. Using the 5-point polishing technique, I'm going to float this layer over the top. I haven't cured the cream puff because the top coat is going to help further enhance the look of this design. Once you're happy with your top coat coverage, cure in the CND LED lamp for 1 minute, remove your top film with 99% isopropyl alcohol and finish with a slicker solar oil. Fantastic smoke design. Hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching.